What is up, YouTube? Your boy Jose back again with another video. I told you guys I was gonna try to be consistent so far. So far, it's been like 2 weeks since I uploaded my last video. So now I got a full video right here for you guys for season 1, episode 1 of Art Extravaganza. And for the first piece of art we're doing is this 3D printed Rengoku sword. Didn't come out the best. I'm still learning how to melt the pieces together using wood filler and fill up all the gaps and sand it correctly. I didn't make a full video on recording this because this did take almost a year to complete because I procrastinated on it. So I just took a bunch of clips that I had while recording this and just put it all together. So now you're about to get a full video of this Rengoku sword, and we're gonna play some music so you guys can enjoy watching this video with some music. And let me know if I should do a giveaway on one of these swords. The next sword coming, it's from a video game, is not from an anime, it's from a video game, so stay tuned for that. That's coming within a month because it takes about 3 days to print and it takes a lot of hours piecing it together because there's a lot of pieces. So for now, enjoy this Art Extravaganza episode 1 and enjoy.
Yeah. Look at my diamonds drip, you know my diamonds drip. Rockin' the flying shit, bitch, I ain't flying shit. I'm Mary Jane's kinda fit, I rock designer shit. Bad bitch kinda thick, she rock designer shit. You going crazy. Money keep piling, bitch, I don't got time for shit. That boy talking, he gon' catch like 5 or 6. Bro hit my line like, go fire that bitch. Bro hit my line like, go fire that bitch. Louis the Prada, rockin' designer. So we pull up in the Honda, and we all rock designer. Girls always wanna holler, now I'm counting all these commas. Yeah, bro wanna come up, yeah, drunk I'm done. I ain't want her, mama always tell me come up. Now I'm dropping all these hummers, all I see is blue hunters. Throw that bitch in a dungeon, oh I really want her cousin. I ain't laughing so it's funny, You could roll up a rollie, we could ride or dolly, to the stars, to the morning. Shorty, I can have you moaning.
Ayo, Moby, you going crazy.
Official, if a nigga got an issue, my niggas pull a pistol, my niggas come and get you. Young J, he own it, yeah. Young J, he own it, yeah. Look at my diamonds drip, you know my diamonds drip. Rockin' the flying shit, bitch, I ain't flying shit. Mary Jane's kinda fit, I rock designer shit. That bitch kinda thick, she rock designer.